International Hearing Society is an association serving members who are hearing healthcare professionals such as hearing aid specialists, ENTs, or audiologists. Over the past 2 years, the new IHS has been extremely busy rebuilding and refocusing on our members. We are committed to our members and have spent months refining our processes, learning, and adjusting to our members' needs. We've made considerable enhancements to our member resources and have even added some new ones.
Well, we have a lot of new things going on with the Hearing Professional magazine that I'm excited to share with our members. One of the new things that we're doing this year is we are adding a new member section for member news. So when members have exciting things going on, new offices opening, we want them to share that with us so we can share it with everybody else. So this is what I think for the cover. Here's the images. Okay. What do you think about that?
Okay. I really
Hey, wait, what are you doing? You can't get this on camera. This is confidential. We're going to start including a continuing education article in every issue of the soundboard. They will have the opportunity to read the article from the soundboard, take a little quiz afterwards, send it in, and get continuing education credit. It's just one more opportunity for them to obtain that credit without having to wait for the magazine to come out quarterly.
We've approved more courses this year than we ever have. Providing continuing education is important to the professional development of our members. Members need IHS certificates to renew their license and board certification. We're working hard to get certificates in your hands. The new computer-based ILE is entering the beta phase and will be available to states and provinces once completed.
The American Conference of Audioplasticology, or ACA, has saw tremendous growth over this past year. We've started 2 new classes and we're trying to keep up with demand, visiting as many cities as we can. It's been a great time for the ACA.
IHS has been really busy this year with a variety of marketing programs. We have expanded our email marketing. We're letting people know regularly about updates on advocacy, webinars, all kinds of member news, and so that's been very successful for us. IHS is experiencing tremendous membership growth. We have so many new members, it's tough to keep up sometimes. We're putting together membership kits, renewal kits. We've got a whole new way that we're approaching members and non-members to get them interested in the society, and I think it's working. Hey, got the new member rosters for this month. I need more kits, here we go.
We've seen so much growth in the area of advocacy over the last year. We've been more present than ever on the Hill and working with our state chapters, also with our industry partners. We've retooled and revamped our advocacy committee, and we've integrated a new online action center so members can get involved in issues that affect the industry as a whole. It's been really exciting. In addition, our Advocacy Alliance donations are on the rise. So we're really excited about that and putting that to work for our membership.
Those are just a few of the changes we've been busy working on. Moving forward as your international society, we will continue to focus all of our efforts on supporting members, protecting the profession, and promoting healthy hearing. We will continue to make our efforts and actions transparent to all members, and I personally invite you to reach out to the IHS team if you have ideas, concerns, or suggestions.
Hi, thank you for calling IHS. How can I help you? Oh, you want to become a member? Do you have your credit card ready? Oh, great.